I'm gonna have the fan over my face and I'm gonna be like, who is the special guest?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite TV here, back with another video, and as you guys can see, I have a special guest. It's not Mulan, it's Zackaryvang.
Feeling gorgeous, honey. We are gonna be doing a tutorial with the brand new Mulan collection, Mulan times ColourPop. We're so excited about it. We live for Mulan. She's a sickening warrior princess just like us, so.
We have lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, blushes, all kinds of stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you subscribe, this video will be chest up. Leave me a comment below, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so diving into the palettes, I'm not really gonna swatch them because, girl, if you don't already know, ColourPop has sickening formula. Every time I swatch it, it always come out amazing. But I already went and took the shade Fighter and just placed this into my crease. She's pretty cute. So far, so good.
Well, I'm about to go in and create an eye look too. I'm not really a neutral kind of girl, but we're gonna see how this all plays out.
You're like one of the first guests on my channel.
I know.
Besides Marvin.
Oh yeah. So I'm going in with the shade Guiding Spirit. Because honey, we're gonna need a lot of guidance. No cussing, love, right?
Yeah, no cussing.
Okay.
Just kidding.
No cussing.
I say
no,
delicious
we ain't
all the
that.
time.
We ain't doing that. We're proper.
Ain't nobody proper over here.
So I'm dipping into that shade and I'm just gonna build some out on the outer corner. Oh, this color is very different than what I thought it was gonna be. This one, Guiding Spirit.
Oh, it looks red.
I know.
Why do you like Mulan? She was the only DVD I had when I was a kid, that and Pocahontas.
I love Mulan. She's the full tea.
Yeah, she gives me really bad energy. So what's it like living with me? How do you feel being the roommate of a diva?
Well, let me not get started on the long list of things, but I would say living with her is something I struggle with every day. It's really, really hard for me.
Which part was hard? Me making you breakfast? Me watching movies in my room?
I don't do any of that. It's really scary because I'm actually kept upstairs under lock and key. So if we have any guests or anyone comes over to the house, it's really like I'm not even here. I'm kept upstairs.
That is not true.
Locked in the closet, back to where I started. So it's been a rough journey, but honestly, I would have to say me and all the voices in the closet that I hear, we've adapted to loving her, so that's fine.
Bitch. Not the voices. Guys, this is blending out so good.
Well, as you can see, I'm not really blending much at all. I'm just giving myself like
as your makeup usually looks.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and go in with another dirty brush because none of mine are clean. So I'm taking the shade Strength. I'm just gonna start blending this out.
We both are from the Midwest too, so if you're from the Midwest, shout out to you, girl. Zachary's from Iowa.
Sure am. Corn is the tea.
I'm from Chicagoland in Illinois.
Chicago. So what was it like growing up in Chicago, love? Do the girls know about you?
Yes. I was like the only, I mean, there was a couple gay people in my school, but hardly any. And I was really the only bad gay, you know? They weren't
hard to stand out from the crowd sometimes, you know, but when you're from the Midwest and you're the literal only gay person in your town,
yeah,
it's easy to stand out because there's literally only one. No competition. The only competition is with my reflection, baby.
Mood. I'm trying to go a little bit darker today. What's it like being in quarantine?
God, I hate quarantine. I mean, I hate it and I love it at the same time because like I'm such a homebody. Like I'm a home type of girl. I love to stay at home, watch movies. Honestly, I'd be going crazy if I lived alone. So we're just taking it day by day.
Day by day. What are you guys doing in quarantine? I know I have a lot of followers from all across the world, so let us know what's happening. I'm interested in what everyone's doing because I know in other countries, obviously, different things are happening. I just really feel out for Italy because I know Italy is just going through all the gigs right now. Okay, so I put that gold shade on off camera and you guys, it came out so pretty.
It's gorge.
Yeah.
I just put the shade Like a Girl all over my lid.
Say it like that.
And it is so pretty. Like I wish you guys could see like the dimension she's offering the girls.
The dimension.
She's offering the girls a lot of dimension, a lot of versatility, a lot of...
We love a verse.
A lot of poise. She poured the tea successfully.
Yes.
Unlike Mulan, so there were several points made.
Okay, so you're putting brown in your waterline. I want to use that same brown, so...
Oh, well, I'm using this shade.
From Morphe.
From Morphe, and it's called Rich.
Yes, you use code DIVA.
You use code...
You use code DIVA.
You use code Vang. So please excuse me while I make an ugly face. Mushu! There you go.
Did I scare you?
No.
Let me sanitize it real quick so I don't get corona in my eyes.
It's the last thing you're getting from me, love. You might get a little more beautiful, but that's about it. So, since she wanted to ask me how it was like living with the diva, we are going to ask her the question of how it's like living with me, the
doll.
princess.
So living with Zachary is really fun. He's my best friend. We relate to legit everything. I can always count on him for being there for me. I can just trust him with everything and he will do anything with me, which is really, really nice.
Yes, you know, my love goes to great lengths because let's just say the girls are fighting, and when I'm talking about the girls, I'm talking about the twins. And when I'm talking about the twins, I'm talking about the twins who live below the belt. And
My twins.
girl, tell me how. I just am such a good friend because she was having a little bit of some discomfort, I would say.
Some medical scenario.
It wasn't a medical emergency or anything, but you know, it was just a little bit, it raised a couple red flags. So we went and, well, I met the girls personally via ultrasound. It was very scary, girl. I saw them and they were like this.
Not us talking about my nuts online.
Yee! But yes, on to bigger and better topics. I'm basically done with my eyes, girl. I just need to pop on an eyeliner and I'm good. I'm gonna take this shade. It's called a Strike a Match because we are fiery up in this beat. And we're gonna take it on this brush. Pop this on my inner corner. This shade is really pretty. It's like a silver. She's cute. She's cute.
Okay, so we're gonna go apply some lashes, mascara, and liner, and we'll be right back. Back with some lashes, you guys. These looks are sickening. My eyeshadow, I feel like, just came out so good today.
I feel like mine came out cute too. I really like it.
I lived for the liner. So let's go ahead and put some lips on. I think I'm gonna do... Are you gonna do red or should I do red?
No, I'm not doing red. I'm just gonna do the gloss.
I'll do the red. I've actually never tried this formula either. This Luxe Liquid Lip. It's supposed to be like a blotted lip.
I'm just gonna put this gloss on.
It's like dry.
This is the color Phoenix though. It's a really pretty like golden shimmer gloss. And I like this big fat applicator. Something you can really grip with, you know?
I like being able to grip it.
Ooh. You probably won't be able to see it, but... Or maybe you can a little. The shimmer in this gloss is really cute.
Okay, so I like the color, but I don't know how I feel about the formula. It's kind of hard to use, but it might be because I have silicone injected in my lips.
I like it look. It seems like very holiday.
Yeah, it does.
You could wear it like on a holiday glam. I really like it.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the finished looks. I'm kind of living for them. Zachary looks so good. I look even better, but I'm really living for the eyeshadow. I think my favorite part is probably the eyeshadow. That gloss is sickening.
I love the gloss. The gloss is really
good.
cute. I really like the shadows, so I have nothing to complain about. With the palette, I really like it. It's cute.
Yeah.
I would say definitely pick it up if you love Mulan. It's a neutral palette, so honestly, like, no shade or anything, but like, you could probably find any of these colors in another palette that you own. But if you are into Mulan and you want to collect this, then I highly recommend this product because it is limited edition.
Yes, it is limited edition. And I will say the shimmers are different than normal shimmers. So these are more chunkiest shimmers, so they're more for the super glam look. So even though this looks like a neutral palette, I wouldn't say it is. It's definitely more of a glam palette with like one everyday type of matte. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Zachary, for being on my channel. He doesn't post on YouTube, but I'll leave his channel down below.
Maybe we'll post next year.
And I'll put all his information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, divas!